Hey guys, welcome back to Coffee Curves. So today I'm sharing another DIY shelf idea which you might have seen in my Kids Room Makeover video, and if you guys haven't seen and are interested, I will leave a link to that in the description box below. If you like today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves for more such awesome videos. Now let's get on with the process. First, let's start by cutting out two right angled triangles from a piece of cardboard. Next, we are going to cover these two pieces of cardboard with white paper, after which I will cover the same pieces with an old t-shirt. So covering it up with white paper is optional. You need to cover it with paper only if the cloth that you're using to cover the triangular pieces is a bit transparent, so that any prints on the cardboard will not be seen through and the color of the cloth that you use will actually stand out. So here I've simply stuck the paper with scotch tape. Now I will do the same thing with an old t-shirt, and I'm marking all around the triangular piece, leaving about 1.5 inch of extra fabric. Cut out these pieces and stick the fabric with either sellotape or glue gun. I think glue gun is a better option. I was just trying out and experimenting with this DIY shelf, so I was not very sure if it's going to work or not, and that is the reason I use sellotape. Trim off extra pieces of fabric at the corners. Stick any loose ends. Now to stick both the triangle pieces together, I've used sellotape, and instead of using a double-sided tape, I've used a regular tape, folded it backwards and used it as a double-sided tape. You can definitely use glue gun to stick these two together. Now the shelf is ready. Let's see how to hang it. So for the hanging part, I've measured out about 15 inches here, plus I have left about 6 inches extra. So this is my 15-inch mark, after which I am going to take the yarn underneath this side and then get it back up like this. I'll repeat this part again quickly. Now, keeping the yarn straight, I will stick the yarn underneath this side and then get it up like this. Meet it at the 15-inch mark, and then from there I will take it to the other corner and stick it underneath this side. Also leave a little bit extra here just in case you need to make any adjustments. So it is better if you first stick it with scotch tape, and then once you get everything right, you can go ahead and stick it with glue gun. Now tie everything together at the 15-inch mark, and while tying, make sure that this is perfectly straight. You might need a little help from someone to hold it in place while you tie everything together. After you tie everything together, for the front piece, I have just attached it from the top. Take some glue and stick it all along like this. I've used these kind of pins to fix the shelf. You could also use nails to fix the shelf in place. And that's it, our DIY shelf is ready. You can place any lightweight items that you like on the shelf, like some soft toys, decor pieces, or even some artificial planters. If you want to place something heavier, then I would suggest you to use jute thread instead of yarn to make the shelf hanging, and also use more layers of cardboard to make the base. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this idea, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves. And yes, if you do make any of these ideas, then don't forget to share pictures with me. I would love to see your creations. See you all soon in my next video. Bye bye.